Now we've talked about stopped bows, but if we take the space out between the notes, we'll get a slurred note, like this. Notice how the bow continues to move smoothly across the string without stopping, and the finger has to catch the note exactly at the right time. Try it with me, just playing open D and first finger, down bow, up bow, and catching the note on a slur, and I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's do it one more time. Try using the entire bow, all the way from the frog to the tip. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Finally, let's try a little bit longer bow. The bow speed will have to be slightly slower in this. Let's try and slur open 1, 4 on a down bow, and then 4, 1 open on an up bow. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Try that one more time, going all the way from the frog to the tip. 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's play a D major scale, up and down, repeating the top note, slurring 2 notes at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's slur a D major arpeggio. I'm going to do this all in third position. So it will be open D, fourth finger on the F sharp on the A string, first finger on the D string, an A natural, and first finger on a G string. We'll go up and down the arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's play Long, Long Ago together, making sure that our slurs are very smooth and that every finger gets down exactly when it needs to. I'll count us in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Notice how long you have to hold the bow for the whole notes. Make sure that you prepare for that and have a slow enough bow speed that you can get all the way through the long notes without running out of bow.